to be able to do it. I think a lot of it, everybody, we have this argument all the time whether anybody can grow a multi-million-dollar business. I don't think anybody can. Yeah. I think even if you wanted to, my goal is probably get it about 2.5 million. That's my goal right now, is to get to that number. I don't care to grow a 20 million. Not interested, honestly, but not everybody can grow that. If I got guys who told me I want to grow a big pest control company, and they've already quit twice and gone to work for somebody else's. Bro, you don't have the DNA. And I think a lot of it has to do with DNA, your risk tolerance, your background. I mean, most of the people that I've seen that have grown a pest control business in a short period of time did have your similar experience. They either came from sales, from door-to-door sales. They either had partners that they brought on.
Yep.
To bring on the talent they didn't have, or they had the background in management where they were branch managers or district managers, so they understood the business part, and then they were able to grow it.